You've told me like 5 times I've got you.
Oh, that's a beaut.
She's a beaut. She's a beaut.
We should go up and stop here on it, guys.
I agree.
We should stop and get some photos of it.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna hit a dead end. So
Really dead ending this road.
we're dead ending.
We should stop.
Go as far as you can, and then if you can go north, take it.
Oh,
Well, it's gonna die here in a second.
we're gonna go into mud. Stop.
Oh, there it is in the field.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. We
Get it. Guys on the ground yet? Still on the ground.
Isn't that awesome? Someone get video.
Do it. Hey, look at the other funnel. Where's that number?
There's a second funnel.
Colt, where's the other
I
map?
did not touch it. Keep the wheel spinning. Don't let off. Don't let off the gas. Don't let off the gas.
Oh, you can see it's just on the back end. And dude, it's shooting up again. You can see that. Like the whole updraft.
There's no needle funnel.
Yep, needle funnel. And probably on the ground for, well, maybe.
It's gonna do it again.
Oh yeah. Now the